According to the CDC, about 6,000 babies are born with Down syndrome each year, which is about 1 in every 700 babies born. Elise is a very special friend of mine. She happens to be one of the 700. Elise is 9 years old. She's smart, funny, enthusiastic. This is her. When I look at Elise, I see a girl with the ability to do great things in her life. Others may see a girl who is different, a girl with a limited future. These assumptions just break my heart because someone with a disability has much more to offer beyond their physical or developmental difference. Elise doesn't let anything or anyone get in her way. She strives to be better every single day. She never gives up, no matter what. I think that everyone, no matter your differences, should have this attitude and outlook on life every single day. Her attitude overpowers any challenge that comes from having one extra chromosome. My favorite and most influential moment with Elise happened not too long ago on World Down Syndrome Day. We were filming a video to post to social media to raise awareness of the day. One of the questions in the interview was, "What does Down syndrome mean to you?" Elise thought about that question long and hard. She finally answered and said that she is just kind of different from other people. Then I asked her, "Well, what makes you different?" She couldn't think of a way that she was different from other people except for her height. This moment touched my heart in a very special way. Elise does not see herself as different. She knows that she has Down syndrome, but she genuinely does not see how she is different, which just warms my heart in a very special way. This moment has taught me not to look at how people are different from each other, but how we are alike. My relationship with Elise has lit a spark in my heart for children with special needs. My summer as a group leader for a special needs day camp here in my hometown has lit a deeper passion in my heart for helping others overcome their challenges each day. One young lady in my group boldly declared, "My disability doesn't define me." She showed me how a good attitude can overpower her physical limitations or developmental challenges. No matter what other people said or thought about her, her opinion did not define her. The positive spirit is so evident in children with special needs and so critical for anyone trying to overcome a physical challenge that motivates them in spite of frustration. A positive spirit keeps them from giving up. A positive spirit inspires all of those around them. My time spent working with special needs kids has inspired me to explore a career where I can meet, work, and spend time helping kids and adults live their best life in spite of their physical challenge or developmental delay. These kids, including Elise, have taught me this. With a positive attitude, there are no limits. Thank you.